Today, we shall be talking about the third skill in our series of soft skills. Today, we shall be exploring interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills are the basic skills needed to interact positively and work effectively with others. Interpersonal skills is a combination of few internal qualities and external traits. Internal qualities include self confidence, compassion, self criticism, enthusiasm, patience, dressing sense, and so on. Whereas external qualities will include conversational skills, self promotion, networking, adaptability, influencing, assertiveness, listening, to name a few. Before we dive down into what interpersonal skills is all about and how can we enhance them, let us first understand why is it needed. In today's work environment, even though we are moving towards digitization and technology, managers still need to engage with employees to get results. So, managers within the organization need to have a mixed blend of these internal and external qualities to demonstrate interpersonal skills and achieve results from their subordinates and colleagues. When we talk about customer experiences, customers experiencing digitization today, there are companies who still engage with customers on building long term strong relationships. Let us not forget that personal touch and engagement with people always stand apart in the way we do businesses. It may be altogether a well advanced digital product that you offer, but a customer delight comes in not while speaking to a Siri or a machine chat, but a relationship building customer service representative on the other side. This is so simply because it brings in human touch, and human touch brings in compassion. Relationship building is the key to building large businesses even today in the AI world. Now that we know the relevance and more so in today's businesses, let us now understand what is it that interpersonal skills is all about and how can we improvise on it. Interpersonal skill means engaging with people around us. It requires something called as EQ, that is the emotional quotient. EQ is nothing but our emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is our ability to understand and manage both our own emotions and the emotion of others. In simple terms, we should be well aware of our own feelings and how it impacts others. This knowledge should help us enable our engagement with others. Effective leaders are said to have very high emotional intelligence. So, how does one go about understanding EQ and its impact to improve relationships? For this, first we need to understand that EQ has four factors which are called as its key components. The first one, self awareness. This is all about understanding the self. The more you know yourself, the better you are in control of your emotions. Second, self management. How do I manage my emotions? Once you become aware of your emotions, you have to get in control of them. You need to identify what is positive and negative behavior and learn to design your thinking to manage your emotions. Third, social awareness. Being able to look at things from other people's perspective and understanding their emotion is a great skill. Trying to understand and becoming aware of others' emotions, that is what they feel, why they feel so, is called as social awareness. The fourth one, relationship management. Managing relationships and building upon them. Can I manage the interactions I have with others constructively to have a positive outcome? This is called relationship management. Once you build on a good EQ, you start understanding the importance of active listening, empathy, and rapport building. You start becoming an active listener and begin to understand people much better. You gradually begin to relate to them and see situations from their point of view. You start conversations which are more meaningful to both parties rather than just one person talking and dictating. All of this make people around you compassionate towards you in a manner that they start trusting you. since you have built an emotional bonding with them. They start listening to you for your compassion towards them and begin to look at things from your perspective. This, friends, is all about good interpersonal skills. Now we have a full course on soft skills where we teach in the depth of interpersonal skills as well. For more details, you can get in touch with us at the number on the screen or write to us at the given email ID. There you can also understand more in depth on how one can build their EQ, become an active listener, build in good rapport, and so on. Whatever you learn, it's important that you practice it every time, because without practice, results will not be visible. Lastly, I would like to conclude that interpersonal skills is like playing an orchestra. One person gone wrong and the entire music does not sound good. So make sure that all the elements of interpersonal skills are played well so that you get the desired results. Practice it like an orchestra. Thank you.